How to end streak on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can break streak on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Since there is no direct option or built-in feature on Snapchat that will allow you to break Snapchat streak immediately, but there are some alternatives that you can do for it. So first of all, or the first option is simply stop sending snaps to the person that you have a streak with. If you send texts, stickers and calls, that won't break the streak. So in order to end the streak, you have to stop sending snaps to your friend. But if the other person keeps sending snaps, you can ask them to stop too. Our streak continues only if both of the users send snaps within 24 hours. So if you are still receiving snaps from your friends or the other users, you can simply ask them to stop sending snap, or you can simply ignore their snap. Don't open their snap. And if you keep on ignoring their snaps and if you don't send snaps to your friend, then you will see an hourglass emoji which will appear next to their chat when the streak is about to expire. And if you ignore that, your streak will automatically break. So avoid sending any media to your friend or don't receive their snap as well. And after the streak ends, the fire emoji next to their name will disappear and your streak count resets to 0. And that's the way to end streak on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.